Riviera. That's where I planted it.
Beautiful.
The birds get on the scene tree.
Oh, it's a target.
What all have you done to the Riviera?
Not a damn thing.
No?
No. So I bought this out of an estate sale. I have not painted it. The first thing I did was I put an air ride technology air ride system in it.
Yeah.
And I ran like that for probably 2 years. And I wasn't that happy with it. It's got those shock waves.
Okay.
The system worked fine. It just didn't go low enough.
Yeah. It's never low enough.
So I took this one to Sam at Epic Rod and Custom and got him to build me a custom air ride system for
Okay.
it. So now it almost lays rockers. I'm going to shoot to get it a little lower still.
Yeah.
The lowest thing on the car right now is the exhaust.
Yeah.
So it is sitting on the exhaust right now.
Right.
But the exhaust system, the air ride system works really well. I put the Supreme wheels and the white walls on it, and that's really all I've done to it. I just drive it. I haven't done anything else to it.
That's cool. It's a beautiful car.
It's got the 401 nail head in it.
Yeah.
I dressed that up a little bit.
Oh, cool.
Be cool radiator, but I haven't really done anything to it. Just enjoy it.
Just enjoy it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool. It is a beautiful car.
It's
It's
on
cool.
you know, when I have some shop space and one of my other cars is up and running, I am going to fully rebuild this car.
Right.
But I have to keep something on the road, so for now this one's on the road.
Yeah.
When one of my other cars is done, then
So far, there seems to be a lot of cars on that list of
yes.
when there's space in the shop.
Yeah, and you've hardly seen any of them.
Yeah, I've got another storage unit in the next town, and I got about 30 of my cars up there.
Oh, yeah.
In line waiting to get in.
He's supposed to be selling these cars, but then he'll
Buys
sell
more?
one and then he'll buy 3.
Yeah.